Welcome to episode 3 of the 3 Simple Sauces series. Today we are making Pomodoro, a clean, bright, simple tomato sauce anyone can master. A great Pomodoro is built on fresh ingredients, slow reduction, natural thickening, bright acidity, and a clean basil finish. Simple ingredients, simple technique, and big flavor. Here is your mise en place. Cherry tomatoes cut in half, garlic grated, fresh basil sliced thin, olive oil, a lemon for acidity, red chili flakes if you want a little heat, salt and pepper, and your pasta of choice. Simple ingredients, nothing processed. Pomodoro today is often misunderstood. Most people think of it as a thick, heavy tomato sauce made from canned tomatoes, blended smooth, and cooked fast. But the original Pomodoro was nothing like that. It was a simple, honest sauce made from fresh tomatoes, olive oil, garlic, basil, and salt. The thickness didn't come from starches or additives. It came from slow reduction. When you make Pomodoro this way, you taste the tomatoes, not the chemicals. And this is the heart of this channel. Real food, real ingredients, real cooking. Here is how you put this all together. It is easy and quick, a perfect combination for making and serving a real meal after a busy day. Preheat a large skillet over medium-low heat. Add olive oil and garlic. Let the garlic soften. Watch not to burn it. Add the chili flakes, tomatoes, and salt. Stir to combine and let the sauce simmer gently, stirring occasionally. Add the lemon juice and remove from heat. Stir in the fresh basil and a little more olive oil. Add your cooked pasta to the pan and coat well. Pomodoro works everywhere. Pasta, pizza, meatballs, or chicken. Tortellini soup, tomato soup, or as a dipping sauce for breadsticks or garlic bread. Once you master it, you will use it constantly. Cooking with real ingredients changes everything. Most restaurant sauces come from cans, boxes, and processed bases loaded with chemicals. When you cook at home with real ingredients, your food tastes better, it's healthier, and it costs a fraction of eating out. This completes the 3 Simple Sauces series. Alfredo, pesto, and pomodoro. Master these 3 sauces and you can feed anyone. Anywhere. Beautifully. Now go cook. Hope you join us for our next chapter in real cooking.